every opposition in a similar fashion and focus on your job at hand. So whichever individual can do that, he'll come out on top in that situation. Do not think about pressure. Do not think about what you want to do. Of course, you have to think about what you want to do. I put myself in that situation now and think about the other youngsters who have come into the team. For them to settle, to make their place, to cement their place, they need that freedom. And if I'm in that position now to tell them that, okay, you go and do what you want to do as a player. Do not worry about failures, because if you worry about failures, success will never follow. So I think important is to focus on the process and enjoy the game. I try and take like a minute or two, or maybe more, to think before I make any decision, because you have to think about so many things when you are captaining the side, and you have to think about a lot of things and about the other players also. Because every day is a new day, every day is a fresh day. Don't look at what has happened in the past. So that was the only message, and that message was for everyone, not because I was not picked for the test squad or anything like that, because I wanted to say to the world that, okay, there will be a fresh day tomorrow and I'll do something different tomorrow. I would like to say that, give that as a message. But again, every individual takes it differently. But for me, I don't want to do that. I don't want to forget where I've come from, my roots, which is why when I do my things, it shows sometimes on the field. But again, like it's the qualities that my father and mother have brought me up with, telling me not to get carried away quickly in your life, because it can change around any time. So be humble, and just work towards your goal all the time. I use my social media to send messages across to the world. I do a lot of social activity on my social media, and that's what I keep saying to a lot of my teammates as well. Like, use your social media in a right way, and use it to your advantage. You've got a great platform where you can send a message like in a second, and it'll reach to so many people.